What makes an ex come back? Wow, that's a $1,000,000 question, but it's a question that we can answer. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for tuning into Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed for the sole purpose of helping you navigate your relationship challenges. So, what makes an ex come back? First and foremost, the fear of losing you. Human beings tend to overvalue what they've lost. All of a sudden, time has passed, and the negativity is replaced by, most of the time, positive memories. So they start thinking about, wow, it really wasn't all that bad. And then it was, wow, I remember that amazing evening that we spent together. And wow, gosh, we really got along so well at the gym. We were able to snow ski together. And all of these things start penetrating the mindset. And with that, they start thinking, I haven't heard from them. They really disconnected, and the fear of losing starts sinking in. And that's a very, very important place to be. To attract that in our ex's mindset in order to be able to reattract them, to make them want to come back to us. We have to inspire them again by becoming a new and improved version of ourselves. I can't emphasize this enough, because most of the times in our relationships, we become so comfortable. And at the very beginning, we were, at our best. We dressed nicely, we were seductive, we were even many times more polite than we normally are. And then things start all of a sudden just becoming mundane. We start taking for granted. So the distance starts getting in, the power struggle of the relationship starts setting in. And before you know it, you start drifting apart. So the important thing is to inspire them by becoming, once again, the you that they met with an improved version of the one they left behind. Because at the onset of the breakup, they have a static memory of why they broke up or why it led to a breakup. And it's not pleasant, because otherwise it wouldn't have been a breakup. So it's very important to work on our own personal transformation, on our true growth. And what does that mean? I mean, if nothing else, focus more on your career, focus on your independence, focus on exercise, focus on your faith, focus on things that perhaps force you to get out of the box. But with that, you build new knowledge. You become a more interesting person. You have something to contribute to the relationship. Sometimes after a breakup, we're so focused on just what happened, and I want to go back with you, and please come back, and this and that, and the drama. Most of the times, exes don't answer our texts or our phones because it's so drama-filled. And that's what we need to do, is we need to change the dynamics, the dialogue. When you start surprising your ex by proving that you are not the person that they broke up with, it's very seductive. They start once again saying to themselves, I wonder if it's worth a second chance. Because at the end of the day, if you attracted him once, you can always attract him again. If she decided to, go away on a weekend with you, it's because she found you extremely attractive, because she was seduced by you. You can do that again. But once you have to reinvent yourself, and you have to prove to them that you are a changed person. This requires, for your level of confidence, your well-being, your happiness, to be able to be conveyed in a naturally effortless way to your ex. Happiness is very contagious. It's seductive. People like to be around those that make us happy. There is a misconception, and I've talked about it in several videos, and I'd like to repeat it again, that love is the only ingredient that is really essential to keep the relationship together. And although it is important, I have to say that the ability to make each other happy is the thread that keeps you together. And happiness is not something that we can give unless we own it ourselves. So we have to develop that. We have to develop to be a happy person with or without them. We can only give to others that which we own. Think about that for a while. That's what makes an ex come back. Ex want to come back not to the drama-filled environment that they left. They want to come back to a happy, seductive, a person that they can see a future with, that they want to move forward with, and not someone that they look at with a sense of apprehension, of negativity, of thinking, they're only changed just to get me back. No, the change has to be authentic. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and book a session with me. Let's work together on authentic changes. Let's work together on making you that best version, on just concentrating on getting your ex back, but having them come back to a new and amazing you. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.